Hi, I'm Galzong. I do content at Visla, and I want to show you how to turn your personal videos into stock footage for your AI-generated videos. In Visla, we have 3 libraries to generate videos from: free stock, premium stock, and personal stock. Personal stock represents the videos that you want to be used when an AI video is generated. For example, I have a lot of video clips showing Visla's different features, and I want these clips to be available for the AI to use when I generate a video. So how do we do this? Well, first, if your video hasn't been uploaded to Visla, you want to first upload it by clicking on Upload to Edit, select your file. This is the video that I want to upload. And once it's uploaded and processed, open up the clip and you'll see a little icon here. This is your personal stock icon. Click on that to add to your personal stock. And here you will want to add a description of the video clip. How to connect iPhone to desktop app for Apple continuity camera. Obviously, the more descriptive you are, the better. Then add any tags. So I'll probably add Apple continuity camera, video recording. So those are the tags. Click continue. Then you'll see the little icon is now blue, meaning it is in your personal stock library. To double check, you can go to your clips, click on personal stock, and there it is. Now when you want to generate an AI video, your personal stock could potentially be pulled in as footage. So let's actually try it out. Go to new video, create a video, idea to video create project. Let's say I want to create a video about Visla's Apple continuity camera feature. Make sure that personal stock is checked here, confirm, and then click generate. All right, we have our video, let's watch it.
Are you tired of struggling to transfer photos from your iPhone to your desktop computer? Continuity camera feature.
Here's our footage. So this is the clip that I just added to my personal stock, and it has been pulled into this AI generated video. Yay! And that's how it's done. I hope you try it out and let me know what you think.